So to start with physical barriers, what are physical barriers? The name itself tells something physical. Okay, the best example is our skin. Our skin itself acts as physical barrier. It acts as barrier and it protects from the entry of many microbes. Okay, from outside the microbes should not enter into our body. So this acts as barrier. Our skin itself acts as barrier. So this is one example for physical barrier. One more example we can give, the mucus lining. The mucus lining present in the epithelium of, along the epithelial lining of gastrointestinal tract, respiratory tract, or in the urinogenital tract. This mucus lining is present, which protects our body from attack of the microbes. They may trap those microbes there only. So that is physical barrier. Then what is physiological barrier? Second one. Physiological barriers are some kind of fluid like HCl. HCl is hydrochloric acid present in our gastric juice in the stomach. Those acid, they may cause the death of, or they may kill the bacteria or the microbes that enter along with our food. HCl. One more example, tear. Tear that comes out of eyes, or saliva. Saliva. All these are example for physiological barriers. They are some sort of liquid which can destroy the activity or which can decrease the activity of bacteria or some kind of microbes. Third one, cellular. Let us see what is cellular barrier. Cellular barrier. Third one. Again, as the name suggests, some cells like WBC. One type of WBC. WBC we know, white blood cells. PMNL. PMNL means polymorphonucleolymphocytes. PMNL. Okay. Then monocytes. Monocytes. Okay. So all these, they can engulf the microbes. That is called as phagocytosis. They can just engulf the microbes, they can destroy the microbes, and they act as cellular barrier. Fifth one. Fourth one. Cytokine barriers. Cytokine barrier. Okay. What is this cytokine barrier? Imagine, just imagine. This is one part of our body tissue, and so many cells are there. Okay. Suppose virus attacked some of the cells. Okay. Virus has attacked some of the cells. These are the cells. These part of the cells attacked by virus, infected with virus. And these are free from viral attack so far. Now what happens? These cells which are infected by virus, they produce a kind of protein called as interferon. Interferon. And this protein helps these cells, the cells which is not infected by virus, from the attack of virus. They will not allow the virus to attack on them. And this kind of barrier is called as cytokine barrier. Thus, the four type of barrier: physical, physiological, cellular, and cytokine barrier together forms our innate immunity.